Yo, what's up? Okay, so what am I seeing today? Market opened 9:30. We ended up displacing lower. We are about 8:30 intraday open. Price could end up rallying below 8:30 intraday open into this 4-hour order block, which price could then push even higher after this, or if we want to continue lower, then that's a possibility as well. I'm thinking there could be a cheeky trade idea, whereas price pushes down to this 1 hour fair value gap into this 4-hour order block high, trying to sweep London lows. Then we can end up pushing down maybe the sell side liquidity. We're in a high time frame market maker sell model, so it's looking like that's what price wishes to do. But as of right now, I don't see any trade idea. Price is making SMT at these lows between this and this. And seeing that it is Monday with PMI news at 10 a.m. What does that mean? It means that I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. to come through to possibly get myself a little trade idea. And that's pretty much it. London lows. This new week opening gap right there. So could end up taking a trade if we end up getting a little retracement from this 5 minute right here to this little order block body. Could. But still inside of this little fair value gap, so it's not something I want to do per se. Seeing as we did form an SMT at those lows, so probably rather be patient right now. Oh, fuck. I'd rather just be a patient boy and wait for price to tap into this, maybe close below here, fair value gap, to possibly reach lower. But again, I'm gonna wait till 10 a.m. So this little fair value gap on the 15 minute looks like it poses some kind of threat, but could just be some bullshit. Anyways, I'll update you guys with what happens. 10 a.m. Price is still just pushed bearish most of open, not offering any retracement to this little 5 minute. We broke past this 15 minute low right here, strong displacement. We do have this 15 minute fair value gap, which honestly I probably would rather mark out right here. Oops. We got that little 15 minute. So there's either way we could go. We could end up just tapping to this 4-hour order block to then go up, since we have this bullish SMT right here at the lows. Yes, took out London low, but our bearish confluence to just be this new day opening gap, or this new week opening gap, right? Which is usually the strongest confluence, and yeah, pretty much. So I'm gonna wait until possibly price wants to offer some type of retracement, just to equilibrium at least. Equilibrium is up here. If we were to mark this kind of trade out, not a bad trade, not a bad trade idea, but still unsure, just because 10 a.m. just came. If we do end up tapping up into this high, I want to see some sort of market structure shift on the 1 minute, which I could enter then off of. But we'll see what price does when we tap into this 4 hour and such. I know I haven't really learned about market maker structure models, but price is still respecting each and every high that's formed and continuing lower. So yeah, there's a lot of differences to how price is going to react, and it will not be entirely clear. So we're going to see what happens. I do believe bearish could be the draw in the end. We could not even get a retracement just because it's Monday. We might take the objective of the day, which is this low. London low would be an objective, previous day low. More sell side liquidity right here from last Thursday. So yeah, just a bunch of confluences really. I'm gonna update you guys what happens. Okay, we're now just tapping into that 4 hour order block high. Yeah, we're just tapping into this. See what price wants to do off of this level. If we want to end up just retracing up to some sort of fair value gap right here, which would be past OTE, but we are in OTE of this range right here, and we have that little SMT, so it's not entirely clear, but I do believe that price is going to be bearish today, so we'll have to just see what price wishes to do. Alright, but we end up tapping. This 4 hour order block is just being tapped. Maybe we can get a reaction off of this to the upside. I'm gonna scale down to the 5 minute just to see. Equal sell side right here, by the way. If we go down the lower time frames, we don't really have any entry model to be shown. We broke structure, we didn't really retrace the equilibrium or anything like that. So yeah, just gonna have to see what price wants to do. I'll update you guys with where we close in the 15 minute, because trade could be a breaker idea right here, but I don't think I would take that off a limit order. I would probably wait to see some sort of small 1 minute structure shift to the downside. But anyways, we'll have to see. I'll update everybody. Thank you. All right, everybody, what do I see? So if you go to the 5 minute, we see that price taps this 4 hour order block, right? This is a 4 hour order block, perfectly to the tick. Literally to the tick, price taps this order block and then starts to create a market structure shift. I scale down to the 2 minute because the 3 minute is closer to this high and it does not show very much structure. I see this fair value gap on the 2 minute aligned with this little order block. So I'm going to take it at this fair value gap. And that's what I see. Just a 4 contract, and I'm only targeting equilibrium, which is this 15-minute fair value gap, right? So that's all I'm targeting. Um, I'm gonna see if price can end up tapping me in, possibly, because both ES and NQ are creating market structure shifts on the 2 minute. So this doesn't look like it's bad confluence at all, just based off of that fucking 4 hour getting completely tapped into. In the end, this could not hit. We could end up going up to that 15-minute. If that does happen, then I'm going to switch my draw to possibly bearish if we see a market structure shift at that 15-minute. But just based off of the model right now, I'm seeing that 4 hour being perfectly tapped into, which doesn't happen every day, you know? It kind of just, I don't know. It just happens. But seeing here, we could end up getting tapped, not tapped, just because of that breaker and that fair order block right there. But I'm going to be patient here and see if price wishes to tap me in. There we go. We are tapped in. Um, Now this could end up being just displacement back down. But from my understanding, I do believe price to be going up at least to tap that 15-minute, which is why my stop loss or my take profit is on that 15-minute. But we're going to see here, nothing is very secure. If I lose this trade, I do believe I will get off. Mondays are usually the day where I do lose the most, just because price action isn't, you know, just very good, I would say. So, um, yeah, as you can see here, price could end up inversing this gap, which is not what I want to see. Um, but if we lose, then we do lose, and it happens. But that 4 hour was just, it just looked too perfect to me to not get some sort of tap off of. But yeah, we'll see. We still have a chance here, unless price just wants to go and stop us out immediately, which could happen. Fuck. Okay. Yeah. That's not what I want to see. I do want to see a push upwards. God. Okay. All right. Yep, we're gone. Yeah, stop that right there, and damn it. So, don't trust the lower time frame as always. Fuck me. Do not trust the fucking lower time frame, man. Yeah, I'm gonna end up seeing if we could get possible another trade here. It was too low time frame, to be honest. Price is just respecting bearish confluences to go down, so that's okay. It's not bad. Okay, my stop loss was. Yeah. Okay. So, of course, because of commissions and shit, it's gonna be higher. So whatever. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna update you guys with what I see next. I'm gonna go off the high time frame more. So yeah. Well, I feel really fucking stupid, everybody. I don't know why I took a counter trend idea when I knew the draw was bearish. It makes no sense, man. And I think I'm done trading for the day. I mean, they took out London low. There's previous day low, I guess, but like, are we gonna take that all today or no fucking idea, everybody. There's no idea, truly. Truly no idea what the fuck we're gonna do. Genuinely. To me, I don't fucking know. And it's just sad, bro. Like, literally, so fucking retarded. But anyways, whatever. Might take a trade off of some shit like this. But I don't fucking know, so I think I'm probably done for the day. I always try to take these stupid trades, and it's so annoying because I know what the fuck to do. It's so annoying, man. It's disgustingly annoying. Shouldn't have taken that trade. There's no reason to take that trade. Right? Like, I know the 4 hour got tapped correctly, but I already thought the draw was lower. Why would I go higher? It doesn't make sense. Motherfucker. But yeah, whatever. I'll update. Yo, what's up? So, I'm in this new trade. Retrace up to equilibrium along with true day open with this order block on the fucking 5 minute. After we swept London lows, I do believe we're going lower still. Even down the previous day low, possibly. But not sure. It's only 10:40, so yeah, I still expect this to go lower. So I'm only targeting the bottom of this new week opening gap. Just want to see it filled. This price probably wants to fill that lower new week opening gap from last week. So this is my trade idea. Yeah. So TP's 416. Stop loss is like 260 something. Probably gonna lower it to like here. I don't really want to see price push up that way anyways. So, but yeah, we're gonna see how this fucking plays out. Should have taken a short from the beginning. I mean, shorts seem like a higher confluence draw anyways, so. But my beginning idea was that 15-minute fair value gap. It just looks like price is didn't want to give that to me. Sorry. Anyways. I don't know. I might just step away from the computer, see how this plays out. See how price reacts or whatever the fuck. I mean, I don't fucking know, man. Could end up getting fucking stopped. Price wants to go up. Hit that fucking shit up there. I mean, I don't fucking know, man. If I want to retrace the equilibrium, which is right here. Pretty much where my fucking stop loss is, but okay. And we probably will. We can, or we will, or whatever the fuck. OTE. We're in OTE, so want to see price push down or fucking not. I mean, what the fuck, man. Fuck, at this point we could end up just fucking retracing the equilibrium and then fucking getting stopped and whatever the fuck. God. I'm not trying to see that though at all. Trying to see price go down. Not up, down. Yup, down. That's what I'm trying to see. And it makes fucking sense to draw as lower, you know? We're getting some displacement down now, tapping into this 5-minute fair value gap. After we tapped off of OTE. Yes, looks like it's tapping through that order block. Price is pushing down, giving these call outs, but you know, fuck if I should know. New week opening gaps. That's what I'm trading today. New week opening gaps. Add an alert here. Fuck it. TP. Stop loss. And such. But yeah, I don't know. At this point, I don't really give a fuck anymore, man. I don't care if I lose or win. It's not really. Because, like, it's on fucking a demo. Like, I'm not even on a real funded account. I can't make any money from this, man. It's technically just practice. It's technically just me practicing, man. So, I practiced fucking wrong and I did it wrong. But I mean, I don't know. Expecting the price to go down. I mean, that's just the bearish fucking confluence. You know? So. These lows right here don't look bad either. It's just that new week opening gap that I'm really targeting. Nothing else, nothing more. It's just what I want. Alright? So, I'll update you guys if I fucking win or lose. I'm gonna go probably take a shit, maybe play some Clash fucking Royale or some shit. But, yeah. I'll update you guys. Move my stop loss down maybe a little. I mean, whatever, bro. Who gives a fuck? It's at 236 plus cons. It's like 10. Yeah, like 260 probably I'm risking with the commissions and shit like that. So, whatever. I'll update you guys if anything happens.